Have you ever looked at your business and thought, man, if we just had that one piece of equipment, everything would change? Well, today we're diving into a powerful tool built for exactly that moment, the machinery loan. Let's explore how it can kickstart your growth without draining your bank account. Does this sound familiar? You know exactly what you need to scale up. That new machine, that upgraded tech, but the massive upfront cost is, well, terrifying. It's a classic catch-22 for any growing business. And this right here, this is what we call the business growth dilemma. It's a major hurdle that pretty much every scaling company has to figure out how to jump over. Okay, so here's the core of the problem. To grow, you have to invest, but that huge investment can completely wipe out the cash you need for the day-to-day stuff. Paying salaries, buying supplies, keeping the lights on. Let's say you own a print shop. A brand new high-speed printer could literally double your orders, right? But if you pay for it in cash, you might not have enough money left for paper and ink next month. It feels like you have to choose between your future and your present. But what if you didn't have to?
This is exactly where a strategic funding tool enters the picture. We're talking about a financial product that was literally designed for this specific situation, the machinery loan.
So what is it really? Simply put, a machinery loan is financing you to buy equipment. But here's the magic part. You do it without messing up your working capital. Honestly, it's less of a loan and more of a growth strategy. Let's just compare the two approaches side by side. If you use your own cash, you're putting immense pressure on your business right away. You might have to put other important projects on hold. But with a machinery loan, you keep your cash for daily operations and you spread the cost out over time. It just makes the whole growth process so much smoother. And we're not talking about small-time loans here. You can get funding up to a whopping 15 crore rupees. That's the kind of money that finances serious, game-changing upgrades for your business. So how on earth do you manage a loan that big? Well, that's where the flexible tenure comes in. With repayment periods that can stretch up to 25 years, the monthly payments are designed to be manageable, to fit within your cash flow, not destroy it. And what about the cost of borrowing? It's actually really competitive. With interest rates starting as low as 9.0%, it's a super cost-effective way to get the assets you need to grow your business. Okay, so the benefits are pretty clear, right? But how do you actually get one of these loans? Let's get practical and walk through the documents you're going to need to get ready. First up, the absolute basics, your Know Your Customer or KYC documents. This is pretty standard stuff. Things like your PAN card, Aadhaar, maybe a driver's license, and a recent utility bill just to prove who you are and where you live. Next, you've got to prove your business is a real, legitimate thing. This means having your GST registration handy, your trade license, and if you're a partnership or a company, those formation documents like a partnership deed. All right, now for the part the lender is going to look at very closely, your financials. Get ready to show them your business bank statements, your tax returns, and your audited financial statements. This is how they check the health of your business and figure out if you can handle the repayments. And finally, since these loans are often secured with property, you'll need all the paperwork for that. We're talking about the property deed, the mother deed, which is basically the ownership history of the property, plus the sanction plan and recent tax bills. This is your collateral. So, let's shift gears and talk about who's actually on the application. It's not always just you. These loans often require a team effort, and that means bringing in co-applicants. So who can that be? Well, a co-applicant is usually required, and it's typically a close family member, your spouse, a parent, or an adult child. Oh, and here's a really important rule. If there are multiple owners of the property you're using as collateral, every single one of them has to be on the loan application. No exceptions. This brings us to a super important point. You can't just ask a friend to co-sign with you. For them to be a co-applicant, they need to have a legal, formal stake in your company. As in, they need to be a partner, a director, or a shareholder. This just makes sure that everyone involved has some real skin in the game. All right, so you've got your documents lined up, you know who your co-applicants are, but now what? There are over 50 banks and lenders out there. How in the world do you find the absolute best rate for your business? This is where a loan agency becomes your best friend. Think of them less like a seller and more like your expert navigator. Their whole job is to sift through that complex market for you and pinpoint the perfect loan for your exact situation. And here's how they do it. First, they take a deep look at what your business actually needs. Then they cherry pick the best lenders from their network, help you compare all the different interest rates, and finally, they help streamline the whole application process so you can get your money faster. So we end right back where we started. A machinery loan can turn what feels like a scary, massive expense into a smart, manageable investment. It lets you protect your cash while you invest in your future. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?